I can't. I thought we can be in touch. I don't know. I don't know how to put my Facebook link and my YouTube. Baby's crying. Do you hear that? Baby's crying. It's my boss daughter. What's that? Hello, Derek Jonas. What's that behind you? Behind me? Nothing. It's electric fan. There's nothing behind me. It looks like a girl. Ah, don't scared me now. Oh, California. Yeah. I am single. It's my towel jacket. And maybe it's my bag. Anybody would be thankful to have you in their life. They reject me, so don't. You was scared. Yeah, because it looks like a girl. So I'm alone in my room. So thank you guys. Hello sister, how are you? Hello Mano Animal Lovers. Hello, I am good. Animal lovers. So what animals you have? Dogs? I mean pets. Where are you at right now? Join ID sister. What's that? Join ID sister. What do you like to do for fun? No. You are my best sister. Thank you. Manujat. Manujat? Sorry if I read your name wrong. Derek Jonas. Yeah, now I'm in Hong Kong. Join this please. How? No, I'm not an American. I'm in Hong Kong. YouTube family members. No chance to keep in touch. Hong Kong, where's that in China? Close to China. Well, Hong Kong's belong to China. I am Manu from India. Nice to meet you, Manu. Shout out everyone. How about I join that? What is say journalist?